How to find page roles settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page roles settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner, and then scroll down until you find the pages, and here you will find your page. Click on it, and now just click this settings icon in the top corner, and here you will find the page roles. Just click on it, and here you can manage it, and uh, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.